Mother's Day is just around the corner, and it's time to start thinking about the perfect gift for your mom. Instead of buying something from the store, why not try making a DIY gift for your mom this year? In this video, I'll be sharing with you a list of the best Mother's Day DIY gift ideas that you can make at home and show your mom how much you love and appreciate her. Handmade cards. A handmade card is a classic and simple gift idea that never gets old. You can use your creativity and personalize it with heartfelt messages, her favorite colors, or even add some drawings or paintings. Your mom will love the thought and effort you put into making her a special card. Picture collage. Another great DIY gift idea is to create a picture collage of your favorite memories with your mom. You can print out some pictures and arrange them in a frame, on a canvas, or even make a scrapbook. This is a perfect gift for a sentimental mom who loves to cherish precious moments. Homemade candle. If your mom loves candles, why not try making a homemade candle for her? You can choose her favorite scent and color and even add some decorations like dried flowers or glitter. She'll love the fact that you made it yourself, and it'll add a warm and cozy touch to her home. Customized tote bag. A customized tote bag is another easy and practical gift idea. You can buy a plain tote bag and use fabric paint, markers, or even iron-on decals to add a personalized message or design. This is perfect for a mom who loves to carry her groceries, books, or any other essentials. That's it for our list of the best Mother's Day DIY gift ideas. Remember to use your creativity and personalize your gift with love and care. Your mom will appreciate the thought and effort you put into making her a special gift. Subscribe My Saving Hub for exclusive updates and content.